Ever since I have come into aviation, I have heard that the first solo is the biggest achievement for any trainee pilot, and nothing ever can replace this day. Well, I did not realize how true this is until it happened to me on the 20th of July 2019. The video you're about to see is an attempt to describe this, biggest achievement of my aviation journey. My first solo, to be honest, wasn't all glory. It was full of ups and downs and successes and failures, which you will make out once you see this video. Also, this video was shot around 4 months back during the lockdown and was shot in my current flying club. So you will also get a glimpse of my flying club. And so stay tuned with me. I'm sure you're gonna like the video, and also I will meet you on the other side. Day in and day out, I cried. I tried. Was anyone there to light the fire? It was me alone. Oh, how I wished I could make the sky my throne. They call me a wanderer, whilst I called thyself a dreamer. Now you will ask, so when did they retire? Well, it was when I reached my Avir. Set? Okay, that is a good frame. Talking about the day I got released first solo and I got command of an aircraft, it always makes me very emotional because this day is very special to me, just like most pilots you will hear. I don't know how well I'll be able to portray it in front of a camera through this video, but I'll try to make this video as small as possible. But if this video becomes slightly long, please excuse me. The day I got released and the time I got released solo succeeds a lot of events which changed my view towards aviation and towards life in general. So let's get started. Okay, so before talking about the day I actually got released solo, I'll tell you about the day prior to that. 19 July 2019. This was my first solo check day. For those of you who don't know, first solo check is when a FI, deputy CFI or CFI comes along with you, checks you on your performance, and if you're good, releases you for your solo. So this was my day. पहुंच गया मैं काफ़ी एनर्जी के साथ फ्लाइंग क्लब पहुंच गया एंड माई सर वाज लाइक, लुक आकाश, आज मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला हूँ, यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग एंड इफ यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ आई विल नॉट रिलीज यू. So in my mind, I was like, sir, I'm gonna do it. I was so confident. I was like, हाँ sir, you don't have to do anything. Check me and I'll do it. And my target was, in one circuit, I'll get released. So we taxied out of our apron and it was on a runway like this. That was my first solo check was about to be done. Just as we took off for this flight, everything seemed to be going against me. Nothing was going right. I was not able to control the flight at all. Heading नहीं maintain हो रही थी, height नहीं maintain हो रही थी. Nothing was actually happening. Every time I made an approach, it was very bad. I was not even on the center line. I was either on the right or left of the center line. And landing, I tell you, oh my god. The landings were so bad that I'm happy that I walked out of it. Every time I came and hit the ground like a bloody stone. And not even on the runway. I was either on the left or the right of the runway. We did 4 circuit and landings that day, and my instructor did not tell a word. But on the 4th landing, which was again very bad, my instructor told me, Akash, vacate the runway. So I knew my day was over. The opportunity that I got is over. As we were vacating the runway, my instructor was very angry on me, and I knew it, and rightly so, because he had expected a lot out of me and I did not live up to his expectations. So he switched off all the lights, all the master switches, and turned off the engine, and the day for me was over. I had failed my first solo check. Probably my first failure in aviation. I was so embarrassed, मैं aircraft से सीधा classroom गया, and you won't believe it, I started crying. I started crying like a baby, and because I was guilty, I couldn't live up to my instructor's expectations, nor to my own. I was so ashamed of myself. I felt I was useless. I felt aviation wasn't for me. I didn't have a word with my instructor that day. I went back straight to my flat crying, and to my utter surprise, at around 8 o'clock in the evening, on the 19th, I got a message from my instructor, and this is what it read. Getting this message from him was a newfound hope for me. I felt confidence in myself again. I was like, if I'm given another opportunity, I'm gonna kill it. I'm going to perform my best and live up to his expectations. Next day, I woke up, I was like, this is my day, I have to prove myself. But as luck would have it, I woke up with a fever. I took some paracetamols and rushed to the flying club. At around 12 o'clock, my instructor came up to me and asked me, Akash, आज flying करनी है? I was like, हाँ sir, करनी है. He was like, तबीयत ठीक है? I was like, हाँ sir, ठीक है. Though I wasn't fine. He was like, okay, check the aircraft and I will be there in 5. This particular sortie was the hardest sortie for me, I tell you. Probably the hardest of my whole aviation journey. It was a 1.5 hour long circuit and landing. 1.5 hours of continuous local flying takes a toll on your brain. And this particular sortie was a brainstorm for me. My instructor wanted me to be pitch perfect, for which he was scolding me, shouting at me, and at the same time appreciating me. But I had to be perfect. All my approaches, all my landings, all my headings had to be the perfect, because I had to prove it to my instructor and I had to prove it to myself. We did 10 takeoffs and 10 landings that day, and all of it was touch and go. But on the 10th landing, my instructor told me, Akash, we will backtrack and line up. I was surprised. I was like, something is about to happen. But I did not tell a word. I quietly backtracked the runway and lined up on the threshold. As we backtracked and lined up right on the threshold, guess what my instructor told me? He was like, देख आकाश, जो तू कर रहा है, ठीक कर रहा है. लेकिन एक बात बता, अकेला कर लेगा? I didn't give it a second thought. It was very instinctive. I was like, हाँ सर, कर लूँगा. He was like, ठीक है, safely वापस आ जाना, वरना ऊपर आके मारूँगा.
Sir, releasing Akash Hazra for solo one circuit.
So my instructor got out of the aircraft from the right side, and now I was a solo flyer. Once I took off, I actually felt it. I was a solo flyer now. I was the pilot in command, and this was the day I actually waited for.
How do you read? Alpha Kilo Tower, go ahead. Maintaining left orbit on base to accommodate traffic on runway. It has already departed.
The whole circuit, to be very honest with you, I did not feel anything, because it was mind-muscle coordination for me. I got so used to doing the same exercise again and again that I did not feel anything. But once I made the approach and I saw the runway right in front of me, मेरी फट गई. I was so scared. I still very vividly remember. I was so scared because this was the moment I was waiting for. My first ever solo landing as a pilot in command. As I was coming closer and closer to the runway, my heartbeat was increasing. I was like, this is the day, this is the time, and I have to make the most of it. But at the same time, I was so nervous. As I came close to the runway, I looked to my right, and guess what? My instructor was standing right at the edge of the runway, like you see over here. He was standing and was seeing me making an approach right from there and coming for landing. Seeing him gave me like a confidence, like a hope and a support that he's there for me. And I flared at the right height, my approach was correct, I was right on the center line, and the landing was butter. I had killed it. I had bloody killed the landing, and it was probably one of the best landings I have done till now.
अरे खतरनाक, बहुत सुंदर लैंडिंग था तो अच्छे.
Jamshedpur Victor Tango Romeo Echo. Good afternoon.
Victor Tango Romeo.
80 Victor Romeo.
Victor Romeo Echo startup.
Victor Echo Bravo vacating via Bravo for dispersal. Thank you, sir.
कार छू फाटक
I want to thank my instructors and all the friends who supported me. And yes, I've flown so much, and even right now when I think about that day, it still gives me goosebumps. This was it from my side in this particular video. This video might be a little long, but I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it gave you some inspiration. If you have any more questions, you can DM me and I shall get back to you with the same. Till then, enjoy. No matter how much I speak about my first solo day, it always feels incomplete. Words aren't enough to describe this feeling, and I'm sure a lot of my fellow trainees or pilots in general would relate to this. Also, the video that you just saw was entirely shot and edited in the iPhone 7 Plus. No setup, no mic, no camera, nothing. Just this phone. But still, if the video could touch you or motivate you to some extent, please do let me know that in the comment section. I would love to read. On that note, that was about it from my side in this particular video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Until next time, life is full of successes and failures. You will fall, you will fail. But what matters is whether you get up and get going. What matters is your will to never give up. Bye-bye.